What's up, drone pilots? Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Neil J, and I do crazy stuff with FPV drones. Today, I am pushing the DJI Avata 2 to its absolute limit. I'm attempting to fly it in FPV mode style in a windy day, freestyle. Thanks for my subscribers for helping me hit 3,000 hours of watch time. This milestone fuels my passion to bring you more content. Now, without further ado, buckle up. Let's get up in the windy air. All right, let's go ahead and put the drone up there. I need to watch for this antennas. One of the comments was like, be careful, don't hit it. Thank you for that advice. All right, let's go ahead and ready for takeoff. I'm gonna start recording. 30 degrees on the angle, the camera angle. Engine start. Let's go. So it's very windy day, and I wanted to come here and do some crazy maneuvers between trees, doing other things, freestyle stuff, and in a windy day. So what is special about windy days that you can mess up really easy. What you need to know is, like, you need to find out where the wind direction coming from in order for you to compensate for that flying. Like, for example, right now the wind is coming from behind, and now it's going forward. So right now it's slowing me down, as you see. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So knowing where the wind is coming from, what it's doing it to you, is very important. See, the wind right now is playing with me. Ooh, that bird. So let me show you where the wind is coming from. So the wind is literally coming from this direction. Here is the flag. So now I know the wind is coming from my right hand side, this right crosswind. So I know that the wind is pushing me to the left while I'm flying. So as you see, I'm just going through the gap by the wind pushing me. Now I know that the wind is coming from behind. And once I turn, the wind is going to push me back. So if I don't put more throttle, I hit those trees behind me. So you have to be aware of what the wind is doing. It's very important. Right now the wind is ahead, so it's going to slow me down so I can do my gaps more confidently. If it was pushing me back faster, then I need to compensate for that. Let's find out here. There is one that's going to be pushing me much faster. And look at that gap. It's going through it really fast. Let's do split us here. Alright. Very nice. I'm gonna do a roll. Slow pace roll. Facing the wind. You see, it's much easier that way. I know that the wind is facing me right now. So if I go the other way around, ooh. See how the wind is pushing hard? And I'll do here my roll. It's much faster pace. So let's transition from this soccer field to the other one with the wind pushing me in, making me faster. Look at that. See that speed? Now the wind is slowing me down, so it's much easier going that way. So it's very important to know where the wind is coming from. Okay, let's go do backflip. release and gap. Nice. I love those HQ props. They catch really good from a dive. I love them. So in the last 2 videos, including this one, I get those ideas making these videos from your comments down below. So please keep them coming. If you would like me to see me do some certain stuff, I would be more than happy to. The last one was about hovering. So this guy was asking me about hovering, how we do hovering, and I made a video for it. And today I have another sub was asking me about flying in windy conditions. So I figure I could come here and make this video. So please, if you wanted to see anything, any kind of video that you would like me to do, I'll be more than happy to. Like hovering. Ooh, the wind. Try to do some hovering here. Yeah, I was able to get like 2 miles per hour. John at G&E Tech's drone is not gonna like this. He wanted to see it almost 0. So I'm trying, John, I'm trying. I needed a day that's not so windy and gusty like today. I'm trying. He's the master of doing these things. I give him that. Let's see here, some hovering. 5 miles per hour, 3, 3, 2, okay, 1, 0. Okay, I hope you like this one better, John. I know this is not satisfactory, but I'm trying again. So let me go ahead and do my dives. I love doing dives. You know, guys, how much I love doing dives. And the wind, man. The wind, that is a nice dive though, I like it. So as you see, again, I love to hear from you. Tell me what is it that you like me to do. I'm not the master of the FPV drones, but I try to do my best. That's nice. So the wind, now the wind is coming from the left. See how I compensate for that? I'm crapping to the wind. Crapping to the wind. Here is crapping to the wind, to the right. Crapping to the wind to the left. So I can go straight. There we go. The wind is coming from the right. Don't want to hit the tree, you see? It was pushing me toward the tree, and that's what I was talking about. This is what you need to be careful of. Whenever this wind starts changing direction or speed fast. Okay, let me get back to my area over there. Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. Any comments, any suggestion, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. Okay, let me go ahead and get that advice. Close them before you get out. You don't want to hit the car. It's expensive fix. Okay, here we are, we're back again. I love those props. It makes me feel like I'm flying. It makes me feel that I'm flying a 5-inch with a lot of power. These things is amazing. I love them. Those are the HQ props. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your question down below with any question you have. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Focus on melody.